Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying compatibility. Check your iPhone model and iOS version so the Files app recognizes external drives. Once done, pick the correct adapter, Lightning to USB 3 camera adapter for older iPhones or USB-C direct if you have a modern iPhone. Use a powered USB hub when the SSD draws power because that prevents disconnects and data corruption. Make sure the SSD uses exFAT or apps. If not, plan to reformat on a Mac or PC before connecting to the phone. Next, connect in order. Adapter into iPhone, then hub, then SSD. Wait a few seconds for the Files app to mount the drive. Tap Browse and select the external volume to preview folders and media. You can copy or move files by selecting items and using the Move or Copy commands. For video, stream directly if the codec is supported. If transfers stall, make sure the SSD has enough free space and the cable is fully seated. Unstable power or incompatible formats are the usual culprits. Finally, perform transfers in chunks for large files to reduce risk of failure, and monitor progress in the Files app so you can pause if needed. When finished, touch the eject icon next to the external drive and wait for the confirmation that it's safe to unplug. Abrupt removal can corrupt data. If the drive is not recognized, swap cables, try a powered hub, confirm the SSD is formatted exFAT or apps, and update iOS. One key tip: try the SSD on a computer to isolate hardware versus.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.